Fashion isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and expressing your personal style. For women over 60, choosing clothes that complement your age while still maintaining a youthful look is key. Walmart, one of the largest retail brands, offers a wide range of affordable and stylish fashion pieces. In this video, I'll be showcasing some trendy fall and winter outfits that are perfect for women over 60, especially from Walmart's collection. Walmart has really stepped up their game in terms of both quality and design, so you can now find chic pieces that don't break the bank. Outfit 1. Camo Pants and Blouse. The camo pants, priced at $16.98, are a perfect choice for a trendy and youthful look. Made from a cotton spandex blend, they offer a comfortable fit with just the right amount of stretch. The camo design adds a bold touch to the outfit, making it both stylish and versatile. These pants pair easily with almost anything in your wardrobe, giving you plenty of room to play with different styles. To balance the ruggedness of the camo pants, I paired them with a soft cream blouse, $24.50. The blouse is made of breathable, soft cotton, and its light, airy feel makes it perfect for layering in the fall. The combination of the camo pants and the feminine blouse creates a look that's energetic, chic, and effortlessly stylish. This outfit works well for a casual day out, meeting friends, or even a more laid-back office day. Camo pants have always been one of my favorite wardrobe staples because they're so versatile. I've worn them with a black button-up shirt and sneakers for a super casual look, but they also work well with a more polished blouse for an elevated vibe. One time I paired the camo pants with this cream blouse, and a friend of mine commented on how well it suited my style and age. That made me feel really good about my choice. And how well camo can work for mature women. The lesson here: don't shy away from bold pieces like camo pants. They can bring a youthful, dynamic feel to your wardrobe while still looking polished when styled properly. Outfit 2. Maroon Sweater and Jeans. The maroon sweater, $24, is the perfect choice for fall. Made from soft, stretchy fabric, it hugs your figure while keeping you comfortable and warm. The maroon color is a classic fall shade that pairs effortlessly with a variety of other pieces in your wardrobe, from jeans to skirts. It's the kind of sweater that works well for both casual and semi-dressed-up looks. Pairing the sweater with jeans, $29, is a no-brainer for those chilly fall days. The jeans are made of cotton with a touch of elastane for a little extra stretch, ensuring they're comfortable and move with you. They're versatile and timeless, making them a wardrobe staple that you'll reach for all season long. Together, the maroon sweater and jeans create a simple, stylish look that works for pretty much any occasion. Whether you're headed to work, out for brunch, or meeting friends for coffee, this outfit has you covered. It's practical, comfortable, and gives you that effortless fall vibe. I personally love pieces that are versatile and can be worn in multiple settings. This sweater and jeans combo checks all the boxes for me. It's perfect for those crisp fall mornings, when the weather's just cool enough for a cozy sweater but not too cold to wear a heavy coat. Plus, it's a great example of how fashion doesn't need to be expensive to be stylish. Simple pieces like this can create a comfortable, fashionable look without breaking the bank. Outfit 3. Striped Shirt and Khaki Pants. The classic striped shirt, $17, brings a youthful, energetic vibe, making it perfect for casual strolls or meetups with friends. The simple yet striking stripes make this shirt a standout piece that's easy to pair with almost anything in your wardrobe. The soft, comfortable fabric ensures all-day wearability, while the classic design never goes out of style. A striped shirt is a timeless staple that can add a fresh twist to your look. Pairing the striped shirt with khaki pants, $29, creates a polished, yet laid-back outfit ideal for fall and winter. The cotton spandex blend of the khaki pants offers both comfort and stretch, making them perfect for long days out and about. Their versatile, neutral tone works well with the bold pattern of the stripes, creating a balanced, sophisticated look that doesn't feel too formal. This combination of a striped shirt and khaki pants is a go-to for those days when you want a stylish, comfortable outfit that works for anything from running errands to meeting friends for coffee. It's easy, chic, and perfect for any occasion, offering a laid-back but still put-together style. I love striped shirts because they're so easy to style and always add a bit of energy to an outfit. I once wore this combo to grab lunch with a friend, and I got so many compliments on how simple yet stylish it was. Sometimes simplicity really does make a statement, and it's a great reminder that less is more. The lesson here is don't shy away from stripes. They're easy to pair with other pieces, and they help keep your look fresh and youthful. Have you tried incorporating stripes into your wardrobe yet? Outfit 4, sweater and cargo pants. The cargo pants $14 are incredibly practical, offering comfort and ease of movement without sacrificing style. With their large pockets and stretchy cotton material, these pants are both functional and fashionable, perfect for any casual outing. They're versatile, allowing you to pair them with a variety of tops, and they're especially great for fall when you need something comfortable and stylish. Plus, the affordable price makes them a must-have for your wardrobe. The lightweight sweater $14 is the perfect fall staple. It provides just enough warmth while remaining light and breathable, making it ideal for those cooler fall days. The soft, cozy material is perfect for layering, and it's easy to pair with other pieces like these cargo pants. The sweater's simple, clean design gives it a relaxed yet put-together vibe that's perfect for casual days out or laid-back weekends. Pairing the cargo pants with the lightweight sweater creates the ideal outfit for those cool, crisp days of fall. The cargo pants add a relaxed, casual touch, while the sweater keeps you warm without feeling bulky. This combo is effortlessly stylish, comfortable, and trendy, making it perfect for running errands, grabbing coffee with friends, or even just relaxing at home. I wasn't sure cargo pants would work for me, but after trying them, I realized how comfortable and stylish they are. One time, I wore these cargo pants with the lightweight sweater and got so many compliments. It made me realize that sometimes the pieces you don't expect to suit you can turn out to be the best choices for your style. The lesson here is, don't be afraid to try things you might not think would suit you. You might be surprised at how great they look and how they can refresh your wardrobe. Fall and winter fashion for women over 60 doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Walmart offers a great selection of stylish, comfortable, and affordable pieces that fit your lifestyle and budget. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try new, stylish pieces you may not have considered before. Fashion is all about freedom and comfort, so choose what makes you feel happy, confident, and empowered. If you enjoyed this video and the outfits I shared, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know which outfit you loved the most, and I'll keep bringing more fashion inspiration for women over 60.